What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not too sure what I'm going to title this video because I kind of have a multitude of things to talk with you guys about. First thing you're going to notice is I'm not in the Camaro. There's a reason for that. Last time I made a video was a couple weeks ago, just giving you guys an update on the crash and everything. If this is the first time you guys are hearing of this, I did get into a crash with my 5th gen Camaro. Go check out my last two videos. I explained everything that happened, everything like that. Last video, I still wasn't too sure if the car was being totaled or not. Well, that was a couple weeks ago, and the car's being fixed, guys. The car is actually done, and I was fully expecting to make today's video vlog style with the GoPro in the Camaro. However, things happen, especially with car crashes, and I'm coming to realize it's a real pain in the ass getting into an accident. So basically the car's done. The last thing that the body shop needed to do is put in the intake system, and they did that today. However, that the check engine light that was on, that they expected would go away with the intake, didn't go away. So they ran the code, and it turns out that the seat belt buckles themselves need to be replaced. The seat belts locked up. I know that's something that GM vehicles do. I don't know if every vehicle is like that, every modern vehicle. But they replaced the seat belts, but apparently they need to replace the seat belt buckles again. So just found out that a couple hours ago, so I won't be getting the car back today. Obviously, I'm driving the Malibu, and it is what it is. But here is the other thing that I want to talk to you guys about, that I kind of hinted at this a couple videos ago when I was talking about a trip. So this Sunday, I'm filming this on Friday, probably going to upload it on Saturday. This Sunday, I'm flying to Arizona, and I'm going to be there for 2 months. So, and obviously I'm flying, I'm not taking the Camaro. So you guys are not going to be seeing the Camaro in any videos for the next couple months at least. Why is that? The company that I work for, which is in the automotive industry, I'm not going to say the exact company I work for, their corporate headquarters, they're based out of Arizona, and basically I've done well in the company, and I'm going to be interning there this summer. So that's great, because it's a big opportunity to grow and to learn even more, and to continue to learn about the automotive industry and about, you know, just everything to do with that. So I'm really excited for it. But what does that now mean for the channel? That's what you guys are wondering. Well, obviously things are going to be different. I'm not going to be making any videos on the Camaro. My dad's going to be able to pick it up for me from the body shop when it's done, finally getting worked on. And after that, it's just going to sit in the driveway until I get back in early August. But this means this is a new opportunity for different new videos on the channel, and I'm actually really excited for it. So one good thing about the internship is I'll be working Monday through Friday full-time, so I have weekends off. And I don't know much about the car scene out there yet. I heard Arizona has a pretty good car scene. I'll be going to the local cars and coffees. I'm going to find out where the drag strips are. I'm going to be attending a lot of events. First videos you guys are going to see are probably going to be just doing the filming at Cars and Coffee, getting the accelerations of the cars when they leave. You guys have seen those videos before. And I'm bringing my whole setup out there, so I'm hoping to meet some people, maybe do some car reviews, or maybe follow the group to the hidden racing spots after these Cars and Coffees, and just get some different videos for you guys that haven't been on the channel in a while. Other point is my good friend Vitaly. You guys might remember him from a little while ago on the channel. He has that Mazda Speed 3. He's done a lot to it since the last time you guys have seen it. We've just all been super busy. And he's staying here in Florida, and he wants to make some videos when I'm out in Arizona, so I think that's great. So no schedule for him yet, but he is going to try to make some videos on his Mazda Speed 3 when I'm gone. So you guys might see some content from me out in Arizona and some from Vitaly here in Florida. So that is exciting. Next video you guys are going to see from me is going to be in Arizona. I don't know if I'm going to wait till next weekend when I go to the first Cars and Coffee, or if you guys are interested in just me doing a vlog type of video, maybe like just for the trip, like you guys see on different videos, let me know. I don't want this channel to always be just about cars. I know it's called Performance Driver Society, so it's going to be mostly about cars, but I do want to end up getting into the vlog type of video eventually. So let me know what you guys think. Otherwise, the next time you will see me, I will be in Arizona. So you won't be seeing the Camaro for a couple months. I'm going to try to get some pictures of it, so I'll probably talk about it in a future video, and I'll make a video of it when my dad gets it home, and I'll have him film a walk around of it or something. So you guys will see it, just no direct videos on it. So I'm sorry about that. I know a lot of my viewers are 5th gen Camaro owners. Stick around, guys. You guys must be car enthusiasts as well. I love all types of cars. If you have any friends, show them this channel, because a lot of changes are coming to the channel. Different videos are going to be coming out. I'm really excited for it. So thank you guys for watching, everyone who has been watching these videos, giving me all the support. What I can promise you guys for now is a weekly video once I get settled in Arizona. And yeah, guys, we'll see where it goes from here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.